population is an asset for the economy rather than a liability. It became a human capital when investments are made in the form of healthcare, training, and education. Land and capital are made useful by human capital. That's why human capital is superior to another form of capital. People as resources refer to a country working people in terms of existing product, skill and ability. This productive nature of population help to develop GNP, which means gross national product of a country through its abilities. So it's also known as human resources. When it when the human resources is further developed by becoming more educated and health, this is called human capital formation. GNP, you are curious to know that what is mean by GNP. GNP, gross national product, a measure to value what a country citizen produce in a given year, whether ever or not the production occurs in the country itself. Investment in human capital. Investment in human capital through education, training, media, care, returns just like investment in physical capital. For example, more education or better training person higher income because they give higher productivity to the employee. In the same way, a healthy person can also give higher productivity and earn a good income. Population can earn productive asset by spending resources on education and healthcare. Training, giving training to industries and agriculture workers for modern technology, providing useful scientific research and so on. Investment in education and health. Investment in human resources through education and health care can give high rates of return in future. This investment of people is the same investment as in land and capital. Education, parents are found to invest more heavily on the education on their child. They are also more aware of their child needs of nutrition and hygiene. A various cycle is created in this case. The various cycle means that a condition in which favorable circumstances or result gives a rise of another subjecting the support of first condition. Economic growth is one such cycle. In the context of various cycle is created for those parents who themselves are not educated and lacking hygiene. Vicious cycle means a condition. Countries like Japan have invested heavily in human resources because they do not have natural resources as compared to many countries. They import the natural resources needed by the country. They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. These people have made efficient use of other resources like land, capital, and so on. Efficiency, efficiency and technology evolved by the people have made these countries develop. Economic activities by men and women are activities which add value to the nation. National economy are called economic activities or market activities. They are classified into three sections: primary section, secondary section, and tertiary section. Primary section. All activities which use natural resources are classified in this section. Primary section includes agriculture, forecasting, dairy farming, animal husbandry, fishery, mining, agriculture. All activities which use secondary activities consist of all activities which use products like in the primary sector. For manufacturing goods are classified in this section. All manufacturing process and production are done in this section. Activity. All activities which support primary and secondary sector are classified in this section. This section gives service like repairing your washing machine, giving services like Ola ride, company driver, when a person drive your car for the money, and so on. This includes trade, transportation, communication, sale, service, education, tourism, etc. etc. Economic activities has two parts: market activities and non-market activities. Market activities. This activity involves paying to the person who performs these activities. Non-market activities. These activities are not paid as production of this activity is for self-consumption. For example, if a farmer grows 5 kilos of wheat and eats the wheat all throughout the year without selling it, is known as non-market activity. If the farmer sells 5 kilos of wheat, it is known as market activities. Education and skill demand of earning. Education and skill are the major determinants of earning of an individual in market. A majority of women have low education and low skill compared to men. Most women work in primary sector which lack of income. There is also absence of basic factors like maternal leave, child care, and other social securities. Quality of a population. The quality of population depends upon the literature health of a person by life expectancy and skill. The quality of population ultimately decides the growth rate of a country. Accuracy by the population. The quality of population ultimately decides the growth rate of a country. Literacy and health population are essential for the countries. Education increases the national as well as cultural richness and education in Quebec 5 years plan. The plan targets in increasing the gross environment ratio in higher education in age group of 18 to 23 years in 27 in 20 2019 to 20 plan also focus on increasing access and quality of education, distance education as well as merging of formal and non-formal distance and IT education institutions.